So our next topic is category of apps. Nowadays, mobile phones are affordable apps that across the world. So app industry has absolutely free of cost apps which we in this days we are getting. Affordable means to say afford easily, which is easily available, which we can easily afford. Mobiles in this days is very less price, so we can afford this app. And after this we can when we are purchasing this app, we have to be serious that how many apps are there and which app is are in our phone and what is the need of this app. So the person who are not using the app in the past or now using it, apps are becoming an integral part of today's life. As I told you, in these days we are having different apps, and these apps are good for our today life. It is also making less burden on, it is also reducing our burden. The people are using mobile phone not only to make call. Okay, in this days early we were using phones only for making the calls, but in this days we are using phone for our facility. Like in this days we are all early we are doing study in school, but nowadays we are doing study in we are sending you homework by the phone and you are doing study from home only. You are also using mobiles. Okay, that means there are the special apps which we are using for sharing, for sending movies, sending videos, sending photographs, sending audio clip. We are using app. Okay, which app we are using? WhatsApp. Okay, means to say in these days these mobiles apps are not using only for our calling but for our daily we are using this app for our facility. Okay, but many of using apps, they tends to do business, communicate and playing game, educate themselves, etc. by using app. We can take anything with the help of the YouTube, that is called education app. By this has led to the development of many other types of application. Apple Play Store and Google Play Store are two popular main store which contain many app category as well as subcategory. So on your book page number 115 there are the different apps is given to you. I am going to discuss. First we are having gaming app. What is mean by gaming app? Gaming app help the user improve your brain power. Okay, nowadays we are using that game is not good for our health, but early these games are developing for increasing our brain power and such as attention and focus. Okay, some games encourage children to learn by app. Gameplay also help. Game apps also helps find friend who play the same game and post your score on social media. Okay, games, we are telling that game is not good for our health. We are sitting and we are playing game. Of course we are sitting and playing game, but if we use this games app the good manner, then we can take advantage from this games app also. Okay, because when we are playing game we have to fully focus. Okay, when we fully focus on a task, that means we will be perfect in this task, then we will be success in this task. This is the main motive from the games. But nowadays students are playing game continuously, they have problem in their effect also, they have problem in their eyes also. Long time sitting is not good habit. Okay, so you have to change this habit. You can play games but only for the limited time. Next, business app. Business apps are apps which are helping in our business, which are helping to do our work easy. Okay, in this case modern day smartphones are capable of performing many complex tasks on run. Productivity apps are developed to help us more. Examples are Google Calendar, okay, Translator, Image Editor, Dropbox. These are called business apps. Okay, like you are good in image editing, you are good in doing the photo editing. If you can use this as a professional and you can earn money from these apps, so that is why it is called business apps. Next we are having utility app. What is utility app? Is used by anyone of us on a daily basis. Utility apps we are using in daily basis. What is example of utility app? That is ShareIt. Okay, nowadays ShareIt is banned because it was China app, but early we were using this sharing data. We can share movies, we can share songs, we can share videos. And next same like this, other example of utility app is flashlight. In this case, when we are purchasing the phone, the apps, this flashlight is automatically in our phone. But early, before 2 or 3 years, we have one special app which is called flashlight app. And when any call is coming, we can on this app, we can make the setting from this app, and when any call is coming, then light is flashing. So this is also one kind of a good app, utility app. Why so? Because if sometime our phone is on vibration, we cannot hear the vibration, but with the help of the light, when light is flashing, then we can guess that someone calling us. So it is also good. Next, calculator is one of kind, it is also one utility app. These are the utility apps. Next we are having, I have mentioned only 2 apps here, but on your book. Next we are having entertainment app. Entertainment apps are designed to entertain you. These apps have tendency to keep your mind fresh. Okay, how it keep your mind fresh? Because when we are entertaining, of course we are getting relaxed, and when we are relaxing, that means we are having good thinking power when we are relaxed. Entertainment apps are different from the gaming apps. Okay, in the gaming app we have to play game, we have to do function, but in case of entertainment app, just we can watch. The Amazon Prime Video is the best example. Okay, it is, I know it is paid, but for 1 month it is free of cost. You can use and take advantage from this app. Next, Talking Tom. This is good for small kids. Okay, next, YouTube. YouTube is one kind of entertainment app. Next, on page number 116, travel app. The main purpose of travel app, that it make our traveling easy, more comfort, fun and helping when we are going from one place to another. You can book your flights, hotels, train, etc. with the help of this app. In fact, all modes of transport with the use of a travel app. In this case, when we are going in metropolitan cities, we can book the train, we can book the even the cars from this kind of app. Okay, what travel example of the travel app is Google Earth. Okay, Google Map, Make My Trip, these Google Trip and other apps are like this, which we are using for booking the tickets. The best example of this app is Make My Trip. Okay, with the help of this we can book hotel also, and we can book our tickets also. Next, we are having educational apps. Educational apps are making things easy for the children to understand. These apps can make children more interactive. Kids can learn while playing education games app. Okay, you know, when we have in small in age, we have to see the thing which is we have to we have like this power that which is jumping and bouncing and moving. When we are watching these things, then we are entertainment also, we are getting relaxation also. It is the best way to get thing. Why? Because when a kid is playing, when they are throwing balls and these things, with the help of this educational app, when we have to play the videos like this in which balls are throwing and they are counting also. It is helping when they are throwing the balls and counting also. Then the kid who is watching this kind of video, he or she will learn the things easily. So that is why it is called educational app. Best example is YouTube. Okay, YouTube. Why so? Because it is very good. We can search any category video from YouTube app. Next, social networking app. Social networking apps enable you to connect the people who share similar personal or similar person or professional interest. The main purpose of using social network app is to keep track of what is going on live of friends, family and colleagues, especially the people whom you do not meet regularly. Okay, the social apps, you know that it is apps which is giving the information for a particular person, and it is good way to connect with our friend. If your friend is so far from you, you are getting the each and everything from his or her. Right? So why you are getting? Because he or she is sharing everything on this app. And we can also give that, we can also, when we are going from one place to another place, if we are posting if on our Facebook, then he or she will understand that my friend is going one place to another place. Okay, it is called check-in. In YouTube it is called check-in. So what are the example of the social apps? Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Google Plus. These are the example of nowadays Snapchat also. These are the example of social network. Next we having community app, communication app. Communication app enable you to import and in charge by opinion or information by speak, write or sign. Example of this app is WhatsApp. You can communicate with your friend, with your colleagues with this WhatsApp, Truecaller, Imo, Hike, Skype, Viber. These are the example of communication apps. Social shoppings app. What are the shoppings app? Nowadays, if you want to buy a thing, you have no need to go particular shop. You can sit your home and there are the so many social apps. I will give you example: Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. You can select, you can open any website from any app from this Amazon, Flipkart or Snapdeal, and when we open this app, you can find the product which you want to buy. Just you have to just type the product, you will get the different category product, and you have to select the product which you want to buy, and then you have to see what is the specialty, what are the commands when you buying the things from the this Play Store, from this app. So you have to see the commands. After watching the commands, you have to buy. Shopping apps enable you to purchase product by placing the order and paying through credit card, debit card on the internet, so that product is delivered to your home. Okay, then when you have to select the product, you have to do the payment by credit card or debit card or Paytm, any source you can select. When you're paying, then you have to select the option where you want to get your product. You have to give the proper address. Okay, when you give the proper address, then it will be, when you will give the proper address, it will be good for them that they have to provide the product on given address. Okay, they will get charge also, delivery charge. It is called delivery charge, but it will save your time.